Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped, low-mileage 2012 Chrysler Town Country Touring L, stock number B9618P. Only 51,000 miles on this Town Country. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright silver metallic in color. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Town Country seats 7, leather interior. Stone go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Dual DVD players overhead. They can actually play 2 different things at the same time. Rear heat and air controls. Wireless headphones and a remote. Middle row buckets are also heated. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side. Perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection. Automatically reverse if anything gets in the way to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And when they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 51,000 miles. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, large touchscreen radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 20 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, and never have to carry it along again. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect those mobile media devices. And rear DVD player controls. That is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. And the second DVD player. Slide out cup holders, power outlets, lots of storage space in the removable center console. Along with dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, power liftgate, and sliding door controls. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. Very clean under the hood, as you can see. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, new brakes, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Town & Country, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.